OverChat AI Writer is one of the most exciting AI software releases this year, and today I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're someone who's been on the lookout for cutting-edge AI tools that can revolutionize your content creation, stick around. You can try OverChat AI Writer completely free by clicking the first link below, so let's dive into what makes this tool stand out. The first thing you need to know is that OverChat AI Writer is designed to be your go-to assistant for generating high-quality, human-like text in a matter of seconds. Whether you're crafting blog posts, email campaigns, social media content, or even scripts for videos, this AI is built to help you create without the usual time constraints. It uses the latest in NLP, natural language processing, to produce text that reads just like it was written by a human. What sets OverChat AI apart from other AI writing tools is its customization. You don't just get a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tweak the style, tone, and voice to match your brand or personal preference. Whether you need something formal or conversational, OverChat AI Writer adapts to your needs, which is a massive plus for anyone looking for a versatile content generator. Next, OverChat AI Writer is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you've never used an AI writing tool before, you'll feel right at home. The interface is sleek, intuitive, and makes content generation feel like second nature. No steep learning curves here, just pure simplicity. Now let's talk about its speed. OverChat AI Writer is lightning fast. Once you input your requirements, it spits out content in seconds. This is a game changer for digital marketers and content creators who need to churn out high-quality material on tight deadlines. Plus, you get access to a variety of templates for different types of content, making the process even smoother. Another key feature of OverChat AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other tools. You can easily connect it to your content management system, email marketing platforms, and more. This makes it incredibly efficient if you're working on multi-platform campaigns or managing large-scale projects, and with its multi-language support, OverChat AI Writer opens up a world of possibilities for international content creation. But perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of this AI tool is its ability to continually improve its outputs. Thanks to machine learning, OverChat AI Writer learns from user feedback and refines its writing capabilities. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and writing style. Finally, OverChat AI Writer doesn't just stop at text generation, it also helps with SEO optimization. It suggests keywords and phrases that will help your content rank higher on search engines, which is a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their digital presence. This is crucial in today's digital marketing landscape, where SEO plays such a significant role in content visibility. So, is OverChat AI Writer worth your time? Absolutely. If you're looking for an AI writing tool that combines speed, customization, ease of use, and advanced features, this one is definitely worth checking out. As I mentioned earlier, you can try it completely free from the first link below. And if you're looking for more recommended AI software that I've tested personally, check the description for my top picks after trying thousands of tools. Don't miss out on this game-changing software. Click the link below to try OverChat AI Writer for yourself today.